Most people believe they are living their life, but the truth is, life is living them. Your reactions, your fears, your decisions, even your thoughts, are they really yours? In this episode, we will uncover what is silently controlling your life and why spiritual awareness is the one thing that changes everything without changing anything outside. Don't listen to this casually. Let it work on you. Let me begin with an uncomfortable truth. You are not as free as you think. Most of your life is run by habits, memory, fear, desire, conditioning. You wake up, react, think, speak, decide, and all on autopilot. And later, the mind says, I did this. But that is not true. You did not choose your fear. You did not choose your first thought. You did not choose your emotional reactions. They happened. This is not failure. This is unconsciousness. What controls your life is your level of awareness. Not intelligence, not education, not effort. Your unconscious mind decides first, and your conscious mind explains later. This is why we repeat the same relationship patterns. You sabotage your own growth. You react even when you promise not to. You say, I did not know why I did that. Indian scriptures called this karma. Karma does not mean punishment. Karma means unseen memory running the present. Why efforts does not change life? Most people try to change life by controlling behavior, positive thinking, facing discipline, forcing discipline. But efforts cannot defeat unconsciousness. You can suppress anger, but it will return stronger. You can force positivity, but fear will leak out. Spirituality discovers something radical. Light does not fight darkness, it simply removes it. The light is awareness. What is spiritual awareness? Spiritual awareness is very simple. It is the ability to notice thoughts instead of believing them. Feel emotions without becoming them. Observe reactions instead of acting them. Awareness creates a gap, a pause between thoughts and reactions, emotions and actions, stimulus and response. In that gap, freedom is born. The same situation, but now you choose. Why awareness changes everything? When awareness increases, fear loses power, ego softens, reactions slow down, decisions become clear, relationships improve, inner peace appears naturally. Not because life changed, but because you are no longer asleep inside it. Before awareness, life happens to you. After awareness, life happens through you. This is the real meaning of spiritual awakening. Final realization: the greatest illusion is believing one day my life will change. The truth is, the moment awareness changes, life follows. You don't need a new life, you need a new level of consciousness. Don't try to change yourself, just watch yourself. In that watching, what needs to be changed will change by itself. How to increase awareness daily? Do not try to be aware all day. That creates tension. Instead, touch awareness frequency. Breath awareness. Don't change breath. Just notice it. Ask silently, am I breathing or is breathing happening? Emotion pause practice. When emotions arises, stop for 5 seconds. Feel it in the body. Don't name it. Don't justify it. Emotion dissolve when seen. Thought labeling. When a thought appears, silently say thinking. No analysis. This creates distance instantly. Gap practice. Advanced but easy. Notice gap after exhale, gap between two thoughts, gap before sleep. Awareness is strongest in gaps. Night reflection. Before sleep, ask, where was I unconscious today? No guilt, just observation. Awareness grows in honesty. Daily time required only 10 to 15 minutes total, spread across the day. No lifestyle change needed. Awareness is not something you do, it is something you stop missing.